Now we're off to the next one. The next one is a new line under the counter ice maker. It's the kind that doesn't drain, you know, it's not a circulating kind. It's just a freezer in there with the half moon ice cubes. So we'll report on that. Get out and get it, people.
Get out and get it. This thing wasn't cold when we got here and Rick had it on. Is it not working at all?
Ice maker. What happened there, Jake?
So the lever arm in most of your fridges, when you lift it up to stop the ice, the client was complaining it just wasn't staying up. We think that may have been an artifact because if it's doing a refill cycle, the arm isn't going to stay up, but once it's actually waiting to cool the ice, it'll stay stuck. So we think he was just running out of the house and he was trying to lift the arm up. He wanted to leave on vacation and it was frustrated him. But even then, he still has a request that it's kind of overfilling the bin before that arm actually does shut off. So a couple different solutions, but truthfully, the machine's working fine. He just kind of caught it at the wrong time when he was trying to lift the arm.
Jake's gonna 3D print the guy a custom little flap, like on some of the Whirlpool ones. There's a little plastic spatula type flap that swings on the arm lever on the ice maker to shut it off. That prevents it from falling back down.
Yeah, he wants the bin to stay about 3/4 full, but the arm isn't up until almost an inch above the bin, so you have this pile of ice, all precarious. So we're going to put in a plastic insert that's going to kind of extend the arm down, and when the ice touches the plastic arm, it'll just lift everything up at once. So we'll see. It's going to be a prototype. You know, we're stealing the design from somewhere else that's already proven, but you just got to pull it off. It should work well for him.
See? Helps to have a chief engineer on your squad. Get out and get it, people. It's a beautiful day.